Just over here potting up some palms. Did a few hundred over there. You know, 15 there. Got a couple more hundred right here. Pot those up. I've got a truckload of dirt and a couple bags of mulch. I want to show you guys what I'm doing. Got a truckload of dirt here, 36 bucks. Actually, it's potting soil. Got a truckload of potting soil for $36. So much easier than mixing it yourself and digging it from the ground. Did about 3/4 of the truckload of potting soil. Did maybe 100 or so pots. Took me about an hour, which is way more efficient than doing this over here. This giant freaking hole that I dug and filled all those pots up. Took me forever. So I recommend doing the truckload.